Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through the steps to contact EA Live Chat support. Start by opening your web browser and going to the EA Help website. Once the page is loaded, look toward the top left corner. You will see a menu labeled Help by Topic. Click on it. When you open this menu, you will notice a list of categories related to different games and services. Scroll down the page until you find the option that says Contact Us. Go ahead and click on it. A form will appear. This form is designed to collect the details of your issue. First, choose the game or service you need help with. After that, you will be asked to describe your problem. Try to be clear and specific, as this helps the advisor understand your case faster. Fill in all the required fields. Once you have completed the form, you will be shown several support options. Depending on your location and the time of day, these may include email, callback, or live chat. Select the live chat option. After you click it, you may wait for a short queue. That is the full process. Thanks for watching.